Hey now, I don't know if there will be a delay. Seemed a little bit of a start of a software issue. Let's hope that that is not the case because you know what happens sometimes. I record these videos, then there's no audio. Hello. So here it is. Let's jump right into the silver. This is what silver is doing. And yes, indeed, it is making my butt stink, but it hasn't yet rolled out. My thought that we're still in a four. Can we move this four? Come on, there you are. Let's move it on down the road. Move that four. Yes, indeed. Let's just put it right there for now and say that's it. That's all you're going to get, silver, before you're heading back up to 35 plus. We'll call it 35.50. Let's move this green line over. Where are you at? There you are. Move this over. Whoop. And we're getting cooperation. It looks like we have bottomed, but I think it's shenanigans at play. The big banks trying to sneak in some short covers, so they beat it down with some more short contracts. Move the target 35.50 over. Right there. One of these times I'm going to come on here, I don't know, maybe 5 years from now. I'm going to have super fast internet. Probably coming to you live from my condo on the Gulf of Mexico in beautiful Marco Island. So there we have it. We've just adjusted. We didn't invalidate anything. This didn't invalidate that. This didn't invalidate this test. And then today's big downtown Chinatown still has not invalidated that we could be indeed bottoming in that four. Could it be a big A, B, C? That's what it looks like it is in a corrective move to four. Let's not call it impulsive yet, because if it's impulsive, then we've got some more moves left to the downside. So we're going to call it a corrective move, and we're going to follow it up with an impulsive rocket ship. And tomorrow is a expiration day, so we could have some covering going on that could drive this right back up through the roof. I'm just very leery of the shenanigans that have been going on with regard to the market leading into the volatility that is guaranteed for the election. Now, let's see. I did nothing as far as trading is concerned. End of the day, I did buy a 92.50, 10 92.50 strike calls that expire next Friday. I paid $14.90 for them, and I did take half a position on the TLT directly at 92.28. So let's look at the TLT. Hey, it's looking pretty good. We're just going to move this a bit and call this the bottom of the two. Got my fingers crossed that we're right about that. ABC down to the two. Now we're looking for a rocket ship up to 95, and it's trying. It's trying. It's come off the low of what? Around 91.86, gone all the way up to 92, 94. Now it's retreated a bit. So two, is that off big three? So we could call that a 1, 2, big three. This is our four. Should be, it probably could go, I don't want it to go too much further, maybe to 92.39, we'll call it, and then make its way on up to the target of 95. Will it happen in one day? No, won't even happen today. But I'm still feeling really good about the TLT trade and have two different positions on it to prove that. GDX, or is this GDXU? GDXU, I've got my fingers crossed in case Matt has not exited his position. I have my fingers crossed that this is the painful bottom, that the painful bottom is in. I mean, it got all the way down to what? Like 46.50, and it's already back up to 49.27, but it's got a long, long way to go to get back in business. GDXU, what do we say here? Can we get a little cooperation? There's GDX at 40.55. Oof. Could there be another little woohoo? I don't want to say that out loud, but it's possible because I was on the last little investigation I was doing on GDX suggested that we could possibly get a high 39 handle on it. Looks like we got my attic furnace schedule. Going to replace that on Wednesday. Yeah, another $4,700. Hello, just paid $6,500 for the Mustang repairs, but it's now like beautiful. And what else? Had another big expense. Oh, we locked in another vacation. Come on, can't we just stay home, enjoy ourselves? So no, SLV is looking at that earlier. Was this the bottom? That's what I'm hoping. Could there be one more low even before the day is over or into expiration Friday? Certainly can be, but I'm watching it like a hawk. Watching it like a hawk. Bitcoin, though, is like reading the script. Look at this thing. You were here. You were here when I was putting in this box 4 pivot. You were here. Look at the videos. I think it was the last 2 videos. If we look at that, then you can see that we put the box up here, thought we were being a little vulnerable way down here, but it came right into the box, didn't it? Now it has a decision to make. Will it hold? Because this is what I'm thinking. It needs to hold 69 and then head back up. If we break down under 69, then we're going to get a little bit nervous that our next move is not to the target of 74 to 75,000. But as the moment, it looks like it's locked and loaded and then heading up to 74 to 75. I think we could get a little deeper into this. I mean, what are we at now? 75.55. We could definitely get a 6.9 handle on that. Probably, no, we never did touch 6.9 today. But it could happen today before it's over, and then we should show some solid signs of moving back up into what I consider to be a 5th wave. So that is the thought on that. Where are we here? I was looking at the U Pro. Looks like I already lost a little. If I didn't get into it, I was right here, just above that last bottom there. It doesn't mean it isn't continuing, but this should be a good spot. Good to consider a bottom is in. Local bottom.